Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and look how sweet this is. This is my latest mini album kit for the Button Farm Club. I did a companion one for boys. This is the one for baby girls. This is called Swaddle Girl, and this is a 7x9 canvas fabric album, very heavy duty, all decorated up pretty in pink with this gorgeous collection. And you will get in the collection kit, the mini album kit, you will get the 12x12 Authentique Swaddle Girl collection, plus an additional piece of 12x12 double-sided patterned paper. You will get 7 sheets of Spectrum cardstock in this tickled pink. You will get this resin Prima heart that will vary from kit to kit, but they're all Prima resin hearts. You will get a yard of May Arts pink Chevron twill ribbon. You will get 2 yards of burlap string. You will get a package of Wild Orchid Crafts cherry blossoms. You will get these darling October afternoon buttons. You will get the keys. You will get Maya Road stick pins. You will get doilies. You will get everything you need besides just basic crafting supplies like your adhesive and your inks and cutting tools to make this album, along with a printed full color tutorial. And let's look inside. This is loaded. I got carried away. There are so many little folios, little tuck spots, fun little interactive elements with lots of room. And the thing that is unique about this collection, I've never really seen a baby collection quite like this before, is that this collection includes journal cards that cover mom's pregnancy. And I've incorporated these in here like a little mini album inside of a mini album. And there's room to record how you're feeling, what you're craving, what's going on, sonogram pictures, your announcement, all this fun stuff, personal notes about your pregnancy, room for photos, baby names that you're picking out. So this would just make a wonderful baby shower gift. Look at all these fun little interactive elements, little tuck spot here, pockets with rooms for photos and inserts, little flip pages, hidden pockets with inserts. And look at these images, they're just darling. Photo mounts, belly bands, and then I've layered. This is like I got into stacking elements in this, and you'll learn how to, tons of new techniques in the tutorial that you'll be able to carry over into other elements of your crafting. You'll learn how to make all these little folios and tuck spots with your scraps. Really fun belly bands and inserts. Several different styles of pockets with inserts and tuck spots. One of the most valuable things about a kit like this is that it really teaches you how to maximize your paper supplies. So if you're interested in learning how to make this kit, check out the link below. Go to the Button Farm, click on Kits, look for Kathy Clement. You'll find the link to purchase this kit, and you'll have so much fun putting it together. Thank you so much. Happy crafting. Bye.